Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create automated reports in Jotform Tables. This is incredibly useful if you need to visualize your collected data through charts and graphs without manually compiling everything yourself. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. First, open your web browser and navigate to jotform.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Make sure you're using the correct account that has access to the tables you want to work with, as this will determine what data sources are available to you later on. After logging in, look toward the upper left corner of the page where you'll see an option labeled My Workspace. Click on that, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select My Tables. This section houses all your existing tables, making it easy to locate the one you need to generate reports from. Now, browse through your tables and find the specific table you want to create a report for. Once you've located it, click on View Table to open it up. This brings you into the main interface where you can work with your data and access additional features like reporting. Inside the table interface, look for a button at the top labeled Plus New Tab or simply Plus New Tab. Click on this button to begin setting up a new feature within your table. This is where you'll access the reporting functionality. A dialog box will pop up presenting you with different options. From these options, select Reports, then click Next. This tells Jotform that you're specifically interested in creating a visual report from your table data rather than setting up another type of tab. Next, you'll be prompted to choose the table or form data source you want to base your report on. Select the appropriate source, then click Next. This step is crucial because it determines what information will be included in your automated report. Now comes the layout selection. You'll see three options here. Choose Compact if you want multiple charts displayed on a single page for a quick overview. Select Extended if you prefer one chart per page for more detailed analysis. Or pick Blank if you want to build a completely custom report from scratch. After making your choice, click Next. The system will now process your selections and generate the report layout. This might take a few seconds, so just give it a moment to load everything properly. Once it's ready, you'll see a preview button appear at the top of the page. Click on it to see how your automated report looks with real data. Finally, if you're satisfied with the preview, click the Share button located at the top of the page. This opens up several options for distributing your report. You can generate a public link to share with others, grab an embed code to place it on a website, or download the entire report as a PDF for offline viewing or email distribution. And that's it. You've successfully created an automated report in Jotform Tables that will update with your latest data. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.